Hypnotizing? Bossy, I never know say it real. I only hear about this. I show alone watch anything there I know.
This proves it real. That means wasp, a stinger, program already.
"15, 7, 1978. 7, 12, 2013. Black, silent, invisible, forgotten." Nightmare Wasp, I have an assignment for you.
Awaiting assignment details.
So it's just search, kill and destroy.
Anyhow, we no find them two agents here before them execute the plan. The agency done. Do me a favor. Look on them two name there and tell me the government name where you see attached to it.
Jeffrey Barnett and Pearl Blackwood.
Jeffrey Barnett, Pearl Blackwood. Pearl Blackwood. Black Pearl.
Hold on the boss, hold on.
You realize say one of the nightmare they are all this time?
Yeah, but Roxy, two of them get activated.
Yeah, but two of them now for they in the same space. What Roxy do busy I do is look for the two of them land. When I want.
What we are gonna do?
We're gonna give Black Pearl a visit and see what we can get out of her.
No. If she activated already, that not gonna be a good idea. She might come after we. So what me think of to do is keep an eye on her from a distance.
I will not have no access to surveillance. I know who we can link. Numbers.
Yeah. If I'm still in business, you can hack in our system.
Your details are going to come from Shooter Stinger. He'll be here briefly to lock you in with the code words.
Yes, sir.
Return to base after your area of the assignment has been completed.
Will do.
Also, Only code word drop the ball can be used to abort the mission.
Copy that.
Back to work.
We have a number of things I deal with now. I know you have a whole heap on your mind. But I'm glad when I call you, you're always there. You want an extra gun?
Well, them said 2 is better than too many.
Give me a minute.
Take your time. Copy.
So, you know what I think? I think we need to go down at the bar. Just forget to sense our energy. I'll buy something too.
When you ready? Today or tomorrow?
No.
Alright. So what about numbers?
I'm going to link him on the way.
Alright.